The McLaren 765LT, the pinnacle of English engineering, and some say the best supercar you can buy for under $1 million. Join us to see if we can answer the age-old question: can a guy from New Zealand with no vlog experience?
McLaren 765LT Spider. Ta-da! Hopefully that worked. Oh, you're kidding.
And no mechanical skills whatsoever. Repair written off 2020 to Spider to McLaren specs in his garage, using only a service manual and the basic tools he has lying around. Join us next time as we examine all the damage and start stripping down the car to find out exactly what has gone wrong and what it is going to take to put it back together.